Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Neo Nails, and we have something super exciting to tell you. We are going to have a second channel. And it's not going to be all about me. It's going to be about you. We are going to audition you guys to be part of our second channel, which will be the Urban Graffiti channel.
Something like that.
Something like that. So, here's how to audition to be part of our new channel. We want you to send in videotapes. Videotapes, oh my God, how old-fashioned is that?
Oh my God, it's the 1980s.
Just film yourself. What we want you to do is film yourself on your phone. You can do a little introduction of who you are, how long you've been doing nails for, your passion for this industry. And then what we want you to do is to film yourself on your phone or anything, any other device, iPad, whatever, showing us what you can do. So a little bit of nail art with gel polish. I mean, we mainly want a lot of gel polish, to be honest, all different designs. We want to see your skills. So this is an open audition for our viewers to now be part of our second channel. What an opportunity. Now, I know everybody's getting a bit excited at this news. There are some rules to this. Let's say rules. Stipulations. You will need to be a qualified nail technician. So we would need to see your certificates of the qualifications that you've done. We'd need to know about how long you've been in the industry, like a portfolio / CV of what you've done over the years, what kind of education you've had. And also you would need to travel by bicycle or roller skates to the northeast of England.
You could do it by another means.
You could do it by another means. You could drive or, train. But I think it'd be far more fun if you came on a pair of roller skates. Joking. But yeah, you need to be able to travel to the northeast at least once a month for a full day of filming. So yeah. I think it's pretty exciting. I'm sure a lot of people want to get involved. It'll give you a great platform to promote yourself, to use, all the Neo Nails amazing products. So this is your time to shine, and we are giving back to you and letting you take over. So just drop down the description box. In there will be an email address where you can send all your information. And then guess what? I will be looking through all the entries and vetting you all. I might slightly Facebook stalk you and Instagram you. Do a little bit of stalking and then see if you actually make it on camera. We want people who can do stamping really well, who can do nice simple designs that are really salon viable. So beautiful gel polish design, something that's a little bit different and very easy to redo, basically. You don't need to be able to create big fantasy nails or anything like that. So if you're thinking, oh, I'm not good enough, or I can't do acrylic really well, but I can do gel polish really well, then that's the kind of person we need, really. So there you are, guys. I'm looking forward to seeing everybody's entries. Yeah, it's going to be cool. It could be you. Who knows? Give it a go. You've got to try. God loves a tryer. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.